Hello everyone, get ready for today's science class. Students, tell me, how are plants and animals different from each other? Students, plants and animals reproduce in different ways. Animals eat plants and other animals. Plants make their own food. Plants breathe through opening on their leaves. Animals breathe through their nose or skin or gills. I hope it is clear to you all, students. As you know, we are doing block 8, living things, and today we will look at the features of living things and compare ourselves with plants and animals. So students, here are some questions for you. Question number 1 is, how do we breathe? Next one is, how do we move without help? Third question is, what kind of food do we need? Last one is, how do we make new peoples and animals? So dear students, let's discuss the answers. We breathe through our nose and mouth. We can move from one place to another using our muscles. We eat both plants and animals. We are born as babies. We eat food and drink water. We grow, we can feel. Students, now tell me, are we animals or plants? Why do you think so? How can you decide whether a living thing is a plant or an animal? So let's discuss some important facts about this lesson. Students, we are animals. All our features are same to animals. As you can see in the picture, we can compare all of the features of living things to know whether something is a plant or an animal. So हमें क्या करना होता है, हमें कंपेयर करना होता है लिविंग थिंग्स को टू नो वेदर समथिंग इज अ प्लांट और एन एनिमल. The quickest way to know whether something is animal or a plant is to see whether it can move from one place to another place on its own. If it moves, then it is an animal. So कोई भी thing अगर खुद से मूव करती है वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस, देन इट इज़ एन एनिमल, एंड इफ इट डज नॉट मूव देन इट इज़ एन प्लांट. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, मूविंग टू आवर नेक्स्ट स्टेप, प्लीज़ ओपन योर कंटेंट बुक ऑफ साइंस. लेसन नंबर 4, ह्यूमन्स, एनिमल्स और प्लांट्स. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट रीडिंग. वी आर ह्यूमन्स. आर वी एनिमल्स और प्लांट्स? Our bodies cannot make food like plants. We need to eat plants and other animals for food to get energy. So हमें एनर्जी गेट करने के लिए फूड ईट करना पड़ता है या फिर दूसरे एनिमल्स को. We can give birth to babies. We can also move from one place to another on our own. These are things that animals do. So humans are animals. I hope lesson is clear to you all. Students, all plants do not reproduce through seeds. Some reproduce through their leaves, stem and roots. I hope lesson is clear to you all. Now students, please open your worksheet as for humans, plants or animals. So first question is, write 4 ways in which we are like most animals. So we have to write 4 ways in which we are like animals. Students, we breathe through our nose and animals also breathe through their nose. We need to eat plants and other animals to get energy, and animals also need to eat plants and other animals to get energy. We can reproduce, and we can also move from one place to another place on our own. and animals can also move from one place to another place on their own. Next one is write 3 ways in which we are like plants. So write 3 ways in which we are like plants. Plants plants need food, plants grow, and plants also breathe. Clear, students? And we also need food, we grow, and we breathe. Next question is write 3 ways in which we are different from plants. So हम plants से कैसे different हैं? Plants reproduce by seeds and we can give birth to babies. Next one is we can move from one place to another place, but plants cannot move. So you have to think and write your answer in this way. So last question is how are we different from birds? So birds से हम कैसे different होते हैं? Birds can fly, but we cannot fly. Birds reproduce by laying eggs, and we can reproduce by giving birth to babies. I hope worksheet is clear to you all. Now students, you have to do practice question number 7. Explain how humans are animals. So you have to explain how humans are animals. And last one is question number 8. Can plants move? Explain how. So you have to tell plants can move or not. Students, plants are fixed to one place. Their different parts can move. For example, plants can bend towards lights. So you have to complete these 2 questions. Thank you everyone for watching this video.